All right, this is where we stopped. So now still the same thing under form order and error. We want, can you all still remember that we have an element called small, and this is it here. That is what is showing the word error. Okay, so we want to style that so that it shows red. So we just say dot form order dot, I can't see my keyboard very well. Everybody buy me keyboard light system. Alright, so form order then error. So this time around it's not input. You want to style the small element that is there. Then okay, better. So now what do we want this to have? Now we want to give it color. Remember the color, want to give it this color. Also we want to say visibility. We want to style its visibility. We want it to show. So visibility, visible. Then Control S. So now let's come here and see it. So can you see now? So only this one is having its color to be red. Okay, after that we now want to style the small. Not under error again now. So generally we want it to be dot form order then we say small. So now I want the visibility now to be hidden. So it doesn't need to show error. We don't want it to show error when it is correct. So ordinarily it should be hidden. Then the position should be absolute so that can see me. This is not what I need to. Position absolute. Then can just give it, its bottom should be 0, bottom should be 0 pixel. Then what again? Okay, seems it's okay this way. Let's check it now. So all this error now will be hidden, except in this case where it is there is where we declared as the error input. All right, can you see that now? So let's check our prototype. Can you see that? So this place is hidden, everything is hidden except when we do something that is wrong. That's when it's going to show. So ordinarily they should be hidden just in this way. So it's only this now that is showing. So we are going to correct that now. Okay, now let's come to our HTML, and that is where we're going to correct that. So this CSS now, this is how we're going to leave it. This is how we're going to leave it. All these are because we don't, so we need this styling, and we're going to connect this with the JavaScript, not the HTML now. So we are not actually using this with the HTML. If it is used with the HTML, that is how it's going to be showing. such that one will show like this, the other one will show like this, because HTML naturally is not responsive, it is not interactive. Okay, so we are going to be needing all this in JavaScript. So because of that, we go back to our HTML, and then this extra class that we added, we're going to remove it from here, but it's going to remain the way it is in the, we just use this to test and see how the color will be. Fine, we have tested it and we have confirmed it's doing fine. So we're going to remove the extra class, come back here too and remove the class too. So we will be using JavaScript, a conditional statement, to tell it when to bring error code and all of that. So let's refresh now. Fine, boom, everything is getting beautiful. All right, see you in just a moment. Bye.